Next, let me finish the remaining problems of type 6. Now continue the problem number 13. So prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 into sine inverse 1 by 3 equal to 9 by 4 into sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. So first take down LHS. So LHS is 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse of 1 by 3. Now further simplify. Now this is equal to, take down common in these two terms. So here which one is common is there? 9 in the numerator. In the denominator it has also 4 is there. 4 to the 8 means 4 means totally 9 by 4 take down common outside. 9 by 4 into, so what's remaining term write down in the bracket. 9 came outside, what's remain numerator? Pi by 4 to the 8, 4 came outside, what's remain? 2 minus, complete this 9 by 4 came outside, so remaining term is sine inverse 1 by 3. So further simplify, we get 9 by 4 into, see here, pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3 means, as we know one property is there. So that is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 is there. Means in place of x, here 1 by 2 is there. Assume sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to also pi by 2 because value here same is there, means sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to what? Pi by 2, means same case sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to also pi by 2, means simplify here. So cos inverse 1 by 3 keep as it is there only, and pi by 2 also keep as it is there only, and this plus sine inverse 1 by 3 move right hand side, it become minus sine inverse 1 by 3. See here, pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3 is equal to what? Cos inverse 1 by 3. So here in the bracket contain pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3 is there. Now replace its value. So its value is what? Cos inverse 1 by 3 means 9 by 4 into cos inverse 1 by 3. Now again, see here, find the value of cos inverse 1 by 3. So cos inverse 1 by 3. So see here, our RHS हमें प्रूव करना क्या है? देखो 9 by 4 into sin inverse 2 times means 2 into root 2 upon 3. साइन इनवर्स में आंसर चाहिए, तो हमारा आंसर यहाँ पे कॉस है. सो इसको हटाना है से कॉस को, मीन्स पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स 1 by 3. इसको रिप्लेस करना, कॉस को हटाना है से, मीन्स कॉस को हटाना बोले तो सो रिमेंबर और लेट, हियर वी हैव टू टेक डाउन लेट cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to theta. Take down called equation number 1. Now find again this cos inverse move right hand side, it become cos theta. So cos theta equal to what? 1 by 3. Again this is right angle triangle is there, make to find its angle means keep theta here, means this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse, or opposite side base or hypotenuse. See here, measure this angle means cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So its adjacent side is 1 is there, hypotenuse is 3 is there. Now to find opposite side means this is right angle triangle is there, means by using Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, so take down this as x, means according to Pythagoras theorem it will becomes 3 square equal to x square plus 1 square. Now further simplify, 3 square we get 9 equal to x square plus 1 square we get 1. Again simplify, 9, this plus 1 move left hand side, it become minus 1 equal to x square, and x square equal to 9 minus 1 8. Again x equal to this square move right hand side, it becomes square root of 8 and x equal to split it 4 2s are 8 means x equal to root 4 value is 2 root 2 means its opposite side is 2 root 2. Next, see here. In place of cos we want sine, because here we have to prove sine inverse means to measure sine. So sine theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 upon hypotenuse is 3. Now finally this implies theta equal to the sine function move right hand side become inverse. So sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. Now take down called equation number 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 means equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 LHS is cos inverse 1 by 3 equal to equation 2 RHS is theta equal to sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3 is there. Means in place of theta put its value, that is theta is equal to sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. See here. What is the value of cos inverse 1 by 3? Sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. So here we have to replace its value. Because of that reason, to prove sine inverse, so 9 by 4 keep as it is there only and replace its value. So its value is sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. Sine inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. So this is the required RHS. So 14th problem, prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 12 by 5 equals to pi by 2. So first take down LHS. So LHS is 2 times of tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 12 by 5. This is our LHS. Take LHS and prove RHS. Means first here we have to simplify 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 because so as we know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. But here 2 times is there. You have to cancel out this 2. So first you have to cancel out this 2 means by using another property. So we know that is 2 times of tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. First simplify. So 2 tan inverse in place of x here 1 by 5 is there means 1 by 5 equal to tan inverse wherever x is there put their value 1 by 5. So 2 into x value is 1 by 5 upon 1 minus x value is 1 by 5 whole square. Now further simplify. Now this is equal to tan inverse of 2 ones are 2 means 2 by 5 in the numerator. In the denominator 1 minus remove this bracket means 1 square we get 1 upon 5 square we get 25. So further simplify. Tan inverse 2 by 5 upon take down LCM in the denominator 25 ones are 25 means we get 25 minus 1 upon 25. Again simplify. So tan inverse 2 by 5 keep as it is in the numerator into so 25 minus 1 24. So 24 by 25 it will move right hand side, it become 25 upon 24. So further simplify. tan inverse 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. So what will get 5 ones are 5 upon 12 ones are 12. So this is the value for tan inverse 5 by 12, means 2 times of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 equal to tan inverse 5 by 12. Means now again take it on LHS. So we know that another property, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So our LHS is, means the required LHS is, so replace the value for 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 value is tan inverse 5 by 12, means this is required LHS, tan inverse 5 by 12 and plus tan inverse 12 by 5. See here. So tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 12 by 5 is there. Again here use one more property. Tan inverse 5 by 12 keep as it is plus, so one inverse trigonometric function to another inverse trigonometric functions, use that property, means tan inverse 1 by x equal to cot inverse x. Use this property here, because tan inverse contain 5 by 12 same value, here 12 by 5 is there, reverse it means to use this property here, means tan inverse 12 by 5 become cot inverse 12 by 5 become 5 by 12. By using this property, remember, one inverse trigonometric functions to another inverse trigonometric functions we have derived also. Means next, as we know another property, that is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to what? 5 by 2. Means in place of x here 5 by 12, in place of x 5 by 12 is there. Means by using that property we get its value is pi by 2. This is our RHS, because tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So 15th problem, prove that tan inverse within bracket under root of 1 plus x square plus under root of 1 minus x square, its whole divided by under root of 1 plus x square minus under root of 1 minus x square equals to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse into x square is there. Means, so first here under root of 1 plus x square under root of 1 minus x square, means by using substitution method. So first here we have to put or let variable x is there, means complete x square equal to cos 2 theta. Now further simplify, here you have to find out theta value. So this cos function move left hand side, it become inverse, means 2 theta equals to cos inverse x square. Now again this implies to find theta value, means theta equal to this multiplication to move right hand side, it become divided by 2, means 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. This is the value for theta. Now take LHS and prove RHS. So our LHS is tan inverse within bracket under root of 1 plus x square plus under root of 1 minus x square, its whole divided by under root of 1 plus x square minus under root of 1 minus x square. Further simplify, so tan inverse under root of 1 plus, replace the value for x square. So x square value is cos 2 theta plus under root of 1 minus x square value is cos 2 theta. Its whole divided by under root of 1 plus x square cos 2 theta minus under root of 1 minus x square value is cos 2 theta. Again, tan inverse. So remember, as we know, 1 plus cos theta equal to 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. But here we have to find out 1 plus cos 2 theta value. So 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 2 cos square 2 theta upon 2 means 2 get cancelled out. We get 2 cos square theta. Means 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Same case, 1 minus cos 2 theta is there. So as we know, 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. But here multiple angle is there, means 1 minus, in place of theta here 2 theta is there, means 2 times of sin square 2 theta upon 2 means 2 get cancelled out, we get 2 sin square theta. Means finally 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Wherever 1 plus cos 2 theta is there, put their value 2 cos square theta, and wherever 1 minus cos 2 theta is there, put their value 2 sin square theta in the LHS. So under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta is there. Remember, 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta and plus under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta is there. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Its whole divided by under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta, same, that is 2 cos square theta, minus under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta value is 2 sin square theta. Now further simplify, tan inverse of, see here, under root of 2 times of cos square theta is there, means root 2 keep as it is, and here square and square root get cancelled out, we get cos theta, means root 2 cos theta plus same root 2 keep as it is, square and square root get cancelled out, we get sin theta. Its whole divided by, same here also, root 2 cos theta and minus root 2 sin theta. Now further simplify, tan inverse of, in the numerator, root 2 take down common outside. So root 2 came outside, what's remain? Remaining term written in the bracket, that is cos theta. Root 2 came outside, remaining term is cos theta, plus written as it is. Root 2 came outside, here what's remain? Sin theta. Its whole divided by, here also in the denominator root 2 take down common outside, means root 2 of cos theta minus sin theta. Now further simplify, now this is equal to tan inverse outside keep as it is. In the inside, root 2 get cancelled out, that is cos theta plus sin theta, its whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. See here, in the previous classes same term came, means divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, means dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what will get? Tan inverse of dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So cos theta by cos theta get cancelled out, we get 1, but write down cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta, its whole divided by cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So further simplify, tan inverse of cos theta get cancelled out, we get 1 plus sin by cos tan whole divided by cos get cancelled out, 1 minus sin by cos become tan. Now further simplify, tan inverse of, so 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta become tan pi by 4 plus theta, because tan pi by 4 plus theta is equal to so here this is in the form of tan A plus tan B. So tan A plus tan B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So wherever A is there, put their value pi by 4, wherever B is there, put their value theta. According to that formula, it will becomes tan A plus B, means tan pi by 4 plus theta become tan A means pi by 4 plus tan B means theta. So tan theta, its whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A means tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Now again simplify, tan pi by 4 means 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1, its value is 1 plus tan theta keep as it is, whole divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 value is 1 into tan theta we get tan theta. See here, 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta value is tan pi by 4 plus theta. So same case, 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta is there. So its value is what? Tan pi by 4 plus theta. Now in the outside inverse trigonometric function, in the inside trigonometric function is there. So tan inverse tan get cancelled out, we get remaining value, that is pi by 4 plus theta. That is pi by 4 plus theta. Now finally replace the value for theta here, means pi by 4 keep as it is there only, plus replace the value for theta. See here, theta value is 1 by 2 into cos inverse x square. So 1 by 2 cos inverse x square, this is the required RHS. So next, this is last problem for this chapter, that is problem number 16. Show that sin inverse 8 by 17 plus sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to cos inverse 36 upon 85. So let us prove it. First take down, let sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to x. Now this sin inverse move right hand side, it becomes sin x. Now this implies sin x is equal to what? 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Sin x is equal to 8 by 17. Next, by using identity here, so as we know, sin square x plus cos square x equal to what? 1. Now to find cos x value, as we know sin x means to find cos x value. सो cos x वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना बोले तो सो cos स्क्वायर x इक्वल टू 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर x मीन्स cos x इक्वल टू द स्क्वायर रूट राइट हैंड साइड बिकम स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर x by using identity means to find cos x value means under root of 1 minus sin square x. So this implies cos x is equal to that is under root of 1 minus sin square x. Again simplify cos x equal to under root of 1 minus put the value of sin x. Sin x value is 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Here square is there means keep square. Now again simplify cos x equal to under root of 1 minus remove this bracket 8 square we get 64 upon 17 square 289. Now its denominator nothing means 1 is there. Take one LCM in the denominator. What will we get? 289. 289 ones are 289 minus 64. So further simplify cos x equal to under root of subtract in the numerator 9 minus 4. So 5 2 upon 289. Again under root of so root 225 value is 15 upon 289 value is 17 means therefore cos x equal to 15 by 17. This is the value for cos x here. Cos x is equal to 15 by 17. Next again same case, let sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to y. Let sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to y. So now this implies, see here, this sin move right hand side, it becomes sin y. So sin y is equal to 3 by 5. Now this is the value for sin y. Sin y is equal to 3 by 5. Now here we have to find out cos y. So cos y, to find the value of cos y means cos y is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square y, because by using identity here. Now again simplify cos, now this is equal to under root of 1 minus, put the value of sin y. So sin y value is 3 by 5 means 3 by 5 whole square. Here square is there means keep square. Further simplify under root of, remove this bracket means 1 minus 3 square we get 9 upon 5 square we get 25. Now again cos y equal to, simplify here, under root of, its denominator nothing means 1 is there. Take down LCM in the denominator. So 25 minus 9 upon 25. Again simplify. 25 minus 9, 16 upon 25. So root 16 value is 4 upon root 25 value is 5. Now this implies finally cos y value is, cos y is equal to what? 4 by 5. Next, by using formula cos x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Now again replace the value, put the value of cos x. Cos x value is, see here, cos x value is 15 by 17 into cos y value is 4 by 5 minus sin x value is 8 by 17 into sin y value is 3 by 5. Now further simplify, multiply the numerator. 15 4s are 60, 17 5s are 85, minus 8 3s are 24. In the denominator 85. Again take down LCM in the denominator. LCM is 85. Divide and multiply this term with LCM. 85 means 60 minus 24. Again 60 minus 24 we get 36. Upon 85. This is the value for cos x plus y equal to what? 36 upon 85. Now this implies this cos x plus, or therefore x plus y keep as it is there only. This cos move right hand side, it become inverse, means cos inverse 36 upon 85. Now finally replace the value for x and y. So x value is what? Sin inverse 8 by 17. Sin inverse 8 by 17 plus, put the value of y. Y value is, so see here, y value is sin inverse 3 by 5. Sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to cos inverse 36 upon 85. Hence the proof. Now today successfully completed this chapter. Thank you so much.